What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould Gaming and Tech channel. I was hitting you guys heavy last week, had to take a little break. I had some stuff going on, so I took about a week, had to handle some stuff, but we're back. Nevertheless, we are back with some more gaming and tech stuff. So today I want to let you guys know the top 10 things you need to do when you first get a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 or even 2. A lot of you guys have been in my comments saying, hey, I'm waiting on my device, it's coming in the mail. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and definitely hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out. And if you're new or returning, like I said, make sure to hit that thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first thing you need to do, kind of goes without saying, you're getting this device, make sure you get a case. You can't be walking around in 2021 or even going into 2022 with a new phone, a flagship phone, without a case for it, unless you just balling like that. And if you are, more power to you. But me, I ain't got it like that yet. Number 2, kind of goes without saying as well. You're probably upgrading from a new phone or a previous phone or whatever. Make sure all your apps, contacts, and photos were transferred over properly. Samsung has a great system to transfer all that information over. Even going from Apple to Android or Android to Android, mostly all your stuff should be transferred over, but sometimes there will be things that slip through the cracks and you might have to catch it. So make sure all that stuff is transferred. Number 3, make sure all your Bluetooth devices are, connected. So I got the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I got like a Bluetooth speaker, some headphones, my car, my Tesla. Make sure you set up all your connections, because the main goal of this is you want to pick up right where you left off from your previous phone. So you don't want to spend all day trying to connect stuff, or you're going somewhere, you forgot it was connected or it wasn't connected and you want to connect it. Just take the time, sit down, make sure all your stuff is connected before you leave the house or leave the store, so you can pick up right where you left off. Number 4. So this is what you want to do. I know y'all like the wallpaper, I know. So you want to go to your settings, and then once you're in your settings, you want to go to the display. So let's go right here to display. So this is important, at least for me. So you want to go to motion smoothness, and you want to make sure it is on adaptive. That's when you will get the 120 Hertz refresh rate, and it will be adaptive depending on what you're using it for. That is one of the main features of this phone. I would highly recommend you guys do that. You will get the best out of using your phone, whether you're gaming, scrolling online, going on Instagram, social media, whatever apps you're on. You want this adaptive motion smoothness on. All right, number 5, you want to stay in display. Okay, stay in display, go to screen mode, and you want to keep this, I think it comes on natural, or even if it does come on vivid, keep this on vivid and do not change the white balance. Unless you need it for whatever reason, your eyes are sensitive, you want to keep this on vivid and leave the white balance in the middle, because this will give you the best picture quality as far as the display. Number 6, let me open this up so you can get the full whammy of it. The full whammy. Alright. Number 6. You want to secure your phone. Make sure you set up your password or your PIN. So go to settings, and then I believe it is under, not biometrics, lock screen. All right, so screen type. Let me put my password in real quick. All right, so you go to your screen lock type. You want to put your PIN in or your password. The password is going to be the most security, because it's kind of harder to guess someone's password. That could be a combination of symbols, numbers, and letters. So you want to make sure you set one of these two up. All right, number 7 is very important. Make sure you set up your biometrics, whether it be Face ID or fingerprint ID. You want to set those up because they lead into number 8. And also for convenience, if you want to get into your phone really quick, you don't want to have to put in your password or your PIN every single time. It's quick. You put your thumb right here, it'll unlock it. Oh, that looked good. Hold on. Look at the food. Anyways, to get sidetracked. So, like I said, that leads me into number 8, Samsung Pay. You want to set up your Samsung Pay, so when you're going out and about, if you don't have your card with you, You can set up Samsung Pay, pay it real quick, fingerprint right there. Hold on, oh, I gotta close it. So you can't use fingerprint ID when the phone's open. But yeah, put your fingerprint right there, beep beep. It'll scan. You can move out and go throughout your day. You don't need your card on you, but you wanna set that up. But press this, press my finger on here to pay, beep, and I'm gone. I don't have to go through my wallet, pull out my card. So make sure you set that up, and it's also gonna take a little bit of time. Not much, maybe a couple minutes, but you're gonna have to call your bank to their digital wallet department so they can verify and access it for you and make it available. So make sure you have time to do that, because you do have to call someone else. All right, number 9, let's get this open. All right, so you want to go to settings, and then you want to go all the way to advanced features right here. So at least this is important to me. I hope maybe it's important to you guys, but mostly every phone, the power button here, oh, there you go. The power button is what I said it is. It's a power button. So you want to click on side key. If you want that power button to be that power button, you got to change it in the settings, because I think by default it comes in the Bixby settings. So normally if you press and hold this, it'll bring up Bixby by default when you get it fresh out the box. So you want to make sure you change that to power off menu, because that's just normal to me. I'm so used to it with any phone I've ever had. So for me to hold, when I first got the Z Fold 2, I kept holding this and Bixby was coming up, and I was trying to figure out how the heck do I change this, because it was kind of annoying. So make sure you go to your settings, advanced features, side key, change that press and hold feature to power off menu. So, and then number 10, like I said, we keep these videos short and sweet. I'm not trying to waste you guys time. Point A to point B. So I got this freaking S Pen here. I wasn't even using it. Y'all don't even that shows y'all how much I use this. But number 10, you want to go to settings and then software update. So you see all the software settings right here. Click on smart update. Turn this on. Any update that comes, whether it be a security patch, new UI stuff, One UI 4 is coming out soon in this month, I believe. You want your phone to automatically update to that stuff, because sometimes out of your day, every time you update, it's going to reset your phone to install that update. So you select smart update, and you can check a preferred time. So I have mine between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. So whenever an update comes out, it's literally going to update when I'm probably sleeping. So I won't even notice it. I won't have to take time out of my day. Definitely if it takes a minute for it to update. Some updates could take 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It all depends on how big the update is. So I use the S Pen. Don't say I don't. You got the S Pen. You didn't even use it. I used the S Pen. And Spidey, he been checking me on time too. We're at about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. But as always, thank you guys for checking out the video. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, this is another pro tip for you guys. I'm just going to be pushing out these pro tips so you can know your phone in and out. That's the whole goal of this, because this is a beast of a phone. A lot of cool features on here. You want to know everything that's going on, so I'm providing that luxury, those details for you, so you don't have to look any further. Your boy got you, Spidey. And we out. Peace.